So I want to give you an overview of what our front end and our database looks like. Here I'm going to try and log in, register a new email, update the email account, and give you an idea on how to add or remove devices and show you our summary list as well. So I hit npm start to start a server. Then I go to my web browser, and here you can see it's already loaded, but I can refresh just to give you, right? Here I'm going to use an already created username and email and password. The reason I'm doing that is because all three of us, we're currently only using one Photon device, and my program is not going to let other users register the same Photon device with the same device ID, because we're only restricting one user to one single device ID until they delete it from their account. So if you want to, you can feel free to go and register a new account, and you can enter your full name, password, and then you have to confirm. And there are some restrictions to that, so you'll need to follow and make a really strong password for that. Okay, so now we're going to use the email and username and password that I've defined in the project documentation, and you can log in using the same. Hit the sign in button. This logs into my account. You can see that this is my email. My name is so and so. My last access time was this. I have a button to update account, which is basically a form that I have to enter a new email and a new name if I want, and that's going to update my current thing. I also have one registered device already. If you can see towards here, the device has this user ID, and an API key was generated along with it. I also have the ability to add a device if I'm a user. Like, some people have two Fitbits. I don't know why you would have that, but if our device can be compared. Right, so some users might have two devices, and they have the ability to add it. We're currently working on delete and everything, so that's not done yet, but this will show you a good end. Now let's show you a functionality of update. So currently it's Rishabh v16, and I want to update it to my partner's initials, and I want to update it to this email, and I just want to give it some name. Notice that there is one registered device, as I showed you earlier, associated with this account, and I want to, let's see if it carries along into my new email address. The password remains the same because we have still not implemented the update password functionality. So I hit update. It redirects me to the sign-in page. I use my new email, as you can see, and log in with the same password as my previous email, which I didn't change before updating it. So I hit sign in, and as you can see, it signs in. Now let's check if I go back, and now, as we showed you earlier, that we have some registered summary list with this associated device ID. Now, in order to access that, in order to have a look on what the stuff looks like, this is what it's going to look like, but this is something I've already done, so maybe I'll try and doing it right from the beginning. So we go to a new line, and inside the browsers, we're going to enter devices. I'm just making sure, yeah, it's devices, and then /summary. So this is going to give me a summary, followed by a question mark and a device ID of my current Photon ID. As soon as I hit enter, here's a list of all my recorded longitude and latitude which we collected while roaming around campus. And as you can see, the list is profound, so you can go down as well, and it's a long list. Yeah, we want to show you how we're able to record and associate each account with their device ID, as well as get access to their summary list as well. Thanks.